Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful event design flyer in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Also like this video, share with your friend, comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. In a few minutes time, we will get this design done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get it started. We start by giving our project a name, and I've named it Event Flyer Design. We follow these settings 2000 by 2000, and when you are satisfied, you click on Create. Alright, this design is going to be divided into three parts. We will work on the background, then on the model, then on the text. So we start from the background and we are going to work on the background color. So we go to our adjustment layer, then go to solid color, then we are going to give it this color. But this is not the color that we are going to be using. It's going to be green as well, but not this particular color. This is the color code of what we are going to be using. 00711B, then click on OK to create. Okay, we can unlock this one and delete it. We don't need it anymore. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery and we are going to import this image. We are going to import it. We are going to scale it up. Alright, we are good with this. Then we are going to filter. Go to filter, go to blur, go to surface blur. So we are going by these settings: 21 radius, and the second one is 15. So when you are good, click on OK. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery again, and we are going to import this second one. Import it, insert it. Then we are going to scale it up. Scale it like this. Alright, and click on OK. Then we are going to change the blend mode to overlay. Awesome. So after changing it to overlay, we are going to erase some part that we are not needing. So I'm going to click on mask and here on our keyboard. We are going to get rid of all these parts. I'm not needing it. So when we are done with that, we go back to this. Then we change the blend mode to exactly to this. Awesome. Let's click on this. On the solid parts, we are going to create a new layer above this, and we want to create a effect. So the light we are going to be using is this 530D38. 530D38. Okay. Then we are going to tap on this once again. Then we are going to scale it up a bit. Then we change the blend mode to divide. Okay, awesome. So we come over here. Then we are going to adjustment layer. We go to exposure. Then we are going to change the exposure to -1.61. Okay, then go to our layer, then click on this, click on P on our keyboard. We are going to tap this here. And when you are satisfied, you click on OK. After that, you click on this and to go to our adjustment layer, then go to edge and saturation. Then we are going to change the width to -43. Awesome. Awesome. So when we are done, we go back to our layer, I think, and with this we are done with our background. So let's group it and Ctrl G. We are going to name it background picture. Awesome. So the next thing for us to do is to work on our image. So we go back to our background again and we are going to import this fine lady model. Awesome. So the first thing we are going to do, let me flip it horizontally first so I won't forget. Okay. So the first thing we are going to do is to work on this design, work on this image. We are going to enhance it by going to filter, camera raw filter, and we are going to enhance it there. Increase the exposure a bit. I'm going to increase the contrast level, highlight a bit. Increase the texture, increase the clarity, increase the vibrance, then go to detail. I'm going to sharpen it. Alright, when we are done, we click on enter. Awesome. See the way it's pop up. That's what I want to achieve. So the next thing, I'm going to erase the background. So we click on this selection tool, go to subject, then we are going to mask. We are masking it. The purpose of this is to make sure that the hair it come out well. So that's why I pass through this process. So I'm going to right click on this and convert to smart objects. So using my keyboard, I'm going to place it here. I think I can reduce it a bit. Reduce the size a bit. Click OK. So next thing, let's get rid of the sharp edge at the bottom. Create a mask, then be on our keyboard. I'm going to get rid of these sharp edges. Okay, then view on our keyboard. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a curve. Go to adjustment layer, then go to curve, then bring it like this. Let me change this one to something. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. I'm going to create a clipping mask. I created a clipping mask. Just hold Alt on your keyboard, then move your cursor to this side, then release it. Tap on it and to work for you. Or you can actually come to this side and right click on it, then go to create a clipping mask. You see create clipping mask here. For your own part, it will be create clipping mask, not to use clipping mask. So that's the two you can go or to go about this one. So after creating a clipping mask, so I'm going to change this to the blend mode to soft light. Exactly. And we are good to go. So the last thing for this part, go to our gallery and we are going to import this cloud effect in it. Import it, place it. I'm going to scale it a bit. Then I'm going to right click on it, flip it horizontally, then move it to the top edge like this. Then click OK. Then change the blend mode to screen. Change the blend mode to screen. Then I'm going to mask it and get rid of the sharp edge. Be on our keyboard, you can see this part. So the next thing we're going to do is to create a voltage and saturation. Come to adjustment layer, then go to voltage and saturation. So click on colorize and follow these settings. And 57. Alright. So I'm going to create a clipping mask as well for this part. Okay. And of course, if you are not satisfied with the way it is, maybe it's too much, you can actually come to opacity and reduce it a bit. So let me leave it as 97. I think it's cool like this. After that, let's create a lighting effect here. So we are going to create a new layer and be on our keyboard. But for this, we are going to change it 009114. So this is what we are going to use for the lighting, and we are going to tap on this area. Okay, be on our keyboard. Then change the blend mode to linear dodge and also. And place it here. Awesome. So with this we are good with the model. So let's group it and Control G to group, and we are going to name it model. Awesome. As you can see, our design is coming to life. So the last part we are going to work on will be on text. And what I'm going to do in order to save time, I'm going to the design. I've already worked on it here. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. But of course, I'm going to show you how it works, how I achieve this. So I'm going to arrange it. Alright, if you are interested in the PSD file for this particular design, you can let me know at the comment section. Just write I'm interested at the comment section. If I'm able to get enough comments, I'm going to include it in the next video. I'm going to include it in the document for the next video. So just write I'm interested, and I'm going to give it out for free. So I'm going to walk you throughout this test is being achieved. So firstly, let me start from this test group, and this is the test, and I use a strict font black sword for this, and it is regular. Alright, and the color code for this is just yellow. FFFC00. FFFC00. That's the color code for the yellow. There's nothing much about this test, and I'm going to explain this one last. So let's move to this part, and this is the test. Montserrat regular size is 14, and this is the color code that I used for this. This is the color code, and for this there's nothing much for this. Let me erase it and let me show you how it's been done. Just you on our keyboard to pick the then click on create it like this. and the color code remains yellow. If we Ctrl T to transform it, I will right click on it and I'm going to use this and I bring it up like this. Exactly. So these are I created the effects. These are I created the effects, and it's just as simple as this. So these are same thing goes with this Friday. But when we reach that point, I'm going to show you how it's been done. So that's how it's been done, and let's move forward to this test. This one is very simple. I just use Mozart bold font, and this is the size, and of course I just select this part and I change it to yellow, that same yellow, and same thing goes with this, and I change it to yellow. So that's the process about how to achieve this, and same thing goes with this. I use Mozart regular and I reduce the size, and same thing for the last part too. Just reduce the size and change it to light. So I change it to light, and that's all for this. And for this as well, it's Mozart font. I increase one part, put one, uh, make one to be regular. So that's how it's been done. And for this particular one, I use a script font and it is perfect, bold, and the size is 16, and that's all. There's nothing big about it. For this shape, it's just very simple. It's very simple. I let me this is how it's been done. So I just created this and Ctrl T to transform it. I'm going to duplicate it. Ctrl J to duplicate. For this, I change the color code. For the first one, color picker, F55535. So that's the color code, and I change the blend mode to linear dodge add, and exactly that's how I got this effect. Of course, so that's how it's been done. Let me delete it and unhide this, unhide this, unhide this. Let me place it here back. Awesome. So let me just walk you through. Same thing go with this. I just reduce the size. I reduce the size to this, and after what I just did is just copy this and reduce the size and change it to yellow. It's just very simple. And for this last part, so the text is Maserat code exactly like this. Same thing I did for this rectangle is what I did here. Let me close it. See on our keyboard, Friday, and we are going to increase the size. Ctrl T, then I click on it, then go to skew and just bring it up a little bit like this. So you're satisfied. You place it here, then click OK. So that's what I did here, and that's actually about it. So let me walk you throughout the effect. The effect is just go to blend, go to this asset, layer style, and just come over here and go to blend option. So that's where the effect is being done. And come to emboss this part, bevel and emboss. You follow the settings and follow the settings. Then come to this part, then choose this rounded something. Click OK. Then change the highlight mode to this highlight and choose this color, and this is the color code you are going to use. Choose this darker part too. This is the color code, use it and change it to multiply. So that's all for the settings about this. And go to stroke, go to change the size. Actually I want to use 20, not 27, and change this one to outside, change it to follow these settings. This is the gradient part, color, this is the color code for this one, and this is also the color code for the second part. This is the color code for the second part. Cancel, follow the settings, then click OK. And for the outer glow, this is the settings for the outer glow. This and this is the color code for this. Then copy these settings. Then when you are done, click on OK. And that's all. And just come to all this thing. I just added the settings for the outer glow. Just follow the settings. That's what I use. That's why you are seeing those effects. Just copy the effect for the outer glow. Paste it here. Then our test is done. So the next thing we are going to do is just to click on this and merge all our design together. Alt Ctrl Shift E on our keyboard to merge all. So we are going to image, go to adjustments, then go to color balance. So I'm just going to tune it to green a bit for the semi-tone. For the shadow too, I'm going to tune it to green just a bit. I don't want it to be too much. Maybe I will reduce this one a bit. I don't want it to be too much. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. So when that is done, I will duplicate it, Ctrl J to duplicate. Then I'm going to change the blender mode to soft light. Cool. As you can see, our design is looking awesome. It's looking beautiful. Awesome, right? Nice. And with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Please comment, like, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.